If you've been using Beam Wallet for a while, or maybe you're just getting started, you've probably wondered about the different ways to receive money. It's a key part of managing your finances, so let's walk through the options. The simplest way is to share your wallet address. Think of it like a bank account number. Open your Beam Wallet, tap on Receive, and you'll see your unique address. You can copy this address and paste it into a message or email for whoever needs to send you money. They just paste it into their Beam Wallet and send the funds. It's quick and easy. But what if you're with the person in real life? The QR code is your best friend here. On the same receive screen, you'll see a QR code generated specifically for your address. The sender can simply open their Beam Wallet and scan your QR code. This automatically populates your address in their app, so they don't have to type anything out. It's incredibly convenient and eliminates any risk of a typo. Now, for those who are all about privacy, Beam Wallet has a few advanced features. The platform is built on the Mimblewimble protocol, which makes all transactions confidential by default. You can also generate a new address for each transaction. This is great for keeping your history private and making it harder for anyone to link multiple payments to a single person. And if you want to go even further, there are offline payment options. These use a different type of address and are designed for maximum anonymity. While they might take a bit longer to process, they offer the highest level of privacy. So, whether you're sharing your address, using a QR code, or diving into the advanced privacy features, Beam Wallet gives you a simple, secure, and private way to receive money. Understanding these options helps you get the most out of your wallet and manage your money on your own terms.